Hey guys, Andrew with Painless here, and today I'm going to highlight our 76 to 86 Jeep CJ Direct Fit harness. First thing I want to point out on this harness is we utilize a factory style bulkhead connector. So this is going to mount the fuse block right in the factory location. You're not going to have to modify the firewall, and the fuse block we give you is going to use all modern bladed fuses. This harness features 21 circuits and will cover every factory option with a pretty well plug-and-play design. It also supports any aftermarket options you may want to do, like gauges, air conditioning, and others. This harness features all factory color-coded high-grade TXL wire, and it's all printed on it exactly where it's going. This makes it real easy to install. On top of that, we tag all the wires that are pre-terminated and we loom the whole harness, making for a super clean installation. In order to cover all the aftermarket electrical accessories people are doing, we go ahead and include a 6-gauge charge wire with a high amp MIDI fuse. This will handle any high amperage alternator you're going to throw at it. This harness comes complete with a 140+ page full color manual. This is going to give you diagrams of everything you need to know when you go to install it. If you have any additional questions, you can call our tech line at 1-800-423-9696 and you'll get one of our knowledgeable techs located right here in Fort Worth, Texas. If you want to learn more about this harness or any of our other offerings, just visit our website at painlessperformance.com.